I'm Malcolm Reed. Today we're barbecuing chicken. Now this recipe isn't fancy, but it's a recipe that I grew up on. First thing we're gonna do today is make up a quick rub for our barbecue chicken. I'm gonna use my AP seasoning as a base, but to that I'm also adding some other ingredients. I've got some chili powder, some cumin, some cayenne, some onion, and some paprika for a little bit of color, and I've also got a little bit of sugar to balance it out. I got the chicken spread out here on the cutting board. We're ready to put the seasoning to it. And I'm gonna hit both sides with our chicken rub that we made up. And I don't know if you could put too much on it. I'm going pretty heavy. I got my offset, Miss Jolene, fired up today, running about 275 degrees. I started out with some lump charcoal and burn it down to a hot bed of coals, and then we start feeding her sticks. I'm running post oak because I want some really good smoke flavor, but I need some good BTUs to maintain that 275 degree temperature. Now I'm gonna start getting the chicken on the pit, and it doesn't really matter how you put it on, but give it enough room to where air and the smoke can flow around. The chicken's been going about 30 minutes. Now it's time to start basting it. And I've just got a barbecue mop here, and I'm not really touching the surface of the chicken. I'm just kind of letting it drip on it. I've taken Italian dressing and mixed it with some barbecue rub. Added some hot water to kind of melt that. A little bit of Worcestershire, a little bit of soy sauce. It just kind of makes a barbecue vinaigrette. It's looking beautiful, but it does need some mop on this bottom side. Y'all check it out, that backside's pretty now. It's looking really good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it one more time on this back side with a baste. Now you could use any sauce you want for barbecue chicken. If you've got some favorite ones, by all means, go to it. Same thing, we're not really rubbing it. We're just kind of letting the mop barely touch it and letting that sauce get all over the chicken. Building these layers of flavors with the pit, with the seasoning, with the post oak, with the mop, and now with the sauce. We're just gonna keep repeating this process till we get it exactly where we want it. It's gonna be chicken plate time. I know our barbecue chicken's done. It's time to get it off the pit. There ain't no right or wrong way to take up barbecue chicken either. You just get it off the grill. And that, friends, is a plate of barbecue chicken. Now I can't wait to see how this barbecue chicken turned out. So I've got my eyes on one of these big legs right on top. And these dudes just come off the pit. You know they're good and hot, but I can't help it. I gotta try one.